Howdy everybody, Michael Mass here. Welcome to the vlog. It's day 13 of Vlogmas? Is today the 13th? If it is, it's day 13 of Vlogmas. And it's the end of day 11 actually of juicing at this point. Tomorrow will be day 12. Apparently on yesterday's vlog I completely had that wrong because I was like, it's halfway there. Well, guess what? We were actually like a day ahead of that. So it's kind of good that I lost track because now I have one less day on the other end, one last day on the other end. As you can see, I am full of energy. It's actually, this is Florida winter right now. It's like 45 degrees outside and it is freezing. But yeah, it's definitely Florida winter here. And as you can see, look at this, that's me holding my gut in a little bit, but I mean, feeling good. The juicing is going great. I have so much energy. That's what's the good thing about this, is I really have so much energy right until I go into the gym. I'm about to head into the gym, and once I get into the gym, the energy kind of like, it goes quickly. Like I'll get in there and I'll hit the workout as hard as I can, and usually by the time I'm done with the gym, I am exhaustingly tired. So that's the good thing though. The good thing is that like on a normal basis, like my energy levels aren't this high. So basically everything's regulated with the juicing. I've had several juices a day and a smoothie again. Like I said, I'm just ready. I feel good, Definitely recommend this whole juicing thing. If you are looking into it, if you're thinking about it, excuse me, if you're looking into it or thinking about it, think about it. Definitely look into it a little bit more. I mean, if you have other health issues, check with your doctor first. I don't want to say go do it, and I didn't check with the doctor. I said, I'm just gonna do this. I've done it before. I don't feel like I had any issues in my life that were gonna stop me from being able to go on a 21-day juice cleanse, which it's a long time. As I said yesterday, I've had a couple of those days where I just really wanted to go emotionally eat, or tonight was one of those nights that I was just really in a spot where I was just like, weirdly enough, I didn't really want to emotionally eat today. After I put up the video yesterday, I just kind of felt good. Like I'm on, and I don't think I've addressed this one, and we can talk about this in another video, and if you have questions about this, I'll definitely talk about it. But I take CBD basically as well, so this is gonna, oops, here we go. I haven't really talked about that much, and if you want to know more about that journey and stuff, please let me know down in the comments and I'll talk about it a little bit more. But usually I take a dropper full of CBD and I take some gummies. Well, obviously since I'm on a 21-day juice fast, I can't eat the gummies, so my dosages have been lower. And tonight I was having such a rough night that I was like, you know what, hit me with that second dropper full. So I've been really calm and mellow and chill the rest of the night. And like that's when I talked about it earlier this summer, when I had that whole thing that happened in the summer. Basically, you can go look back in the videos if you want to, but it was like, this is not what you think it's gonna be. That's basically the video. And I took about a month off. That's when I started taking CBD. So we will talk about that in another video and the benefits and how it affects me. But surprise, we're gonna drop it in there, just drop a nugget in there. If you want to know more, hit me down in the comments about that, because it's probably been a lifesaver for me in some ways. But yeah, so I've been chill today, been relaxed. I'm gonna go hit the workout momentarily. Tomorrow I gotta get up super early. It's kind of chilly. I gotta get up super early. I'm gonna go film a When Can We Do This Again? And I know it's been a while since I put out a When Can We Do This Again, but I'm gonna put out a When Can We Do This Again on Friday about what rides you don't need to fast pass at Magic Kingdom. There's certain rides that you just don't need a fast pass ever. And do that. Hey, by the way, I'm just gonna admire this really quickly. I'm in a parking lot, not a greatly lit parking lot, but due to the fact that I have two lights with me in this, like, let me show you the setup right now. That's the car, there's two lights, and then there's like a light there and like a light there. I feel like I did a spectacular job as someone who's been in television for a while of lighting the set tonight, and whoops, lighting the set and making my face like stand out. So enough patting myself on the back, guys. So yes, guys, I hope you are having a great day. I hope you're having a great Thursday as it is right now. Is it Thursday? It's Thursday. Vlogmas rolling along. I'm once again I'm patting myself on the back. I really haven't had the issues with Vlogmas this year as I had last year, where I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I do worry that once the juicing's over, that's gonna be fun. because I'll be hitting it back to Oklahoma. So that last 4 or 5 days of the year could be interesting. But also throwing in those live feeds. By the way, live feed Sundays, guys, live feed, check them out. This week I'm not going to be at either park that I've been at the last 2 weeks, so you can guess down in the comments, where do you think I'm headed this week? Is it Animal Kingdom or is it Hollywood Studios? As I have very limited days left before blackout. I need to get over and just hang out at Walt Disney World for a day and enjoy it for probably my last time in 2018 here soon. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that like button. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the friends. Welcome to the friends. Welcome to the family, guys. Always gonna enjoy new friends and everything. So hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Come along. I do food reviews on a regular basis. I do Disney tips and tricks on a regular basis. Normally twice a week you're getting food reviews, whether it be Michael Mass Eats or Disney Dine-In Review. So that's a normal case. Right now we're doing this 21-day juice fast. So if this is your first video, go back to the first. Check them out, because it's been a journey, and as you can see, I've changed a lot since the first, and I did not have this much energy then. So I'm really happy with the overall energy level that I have right now. It's awesome. So like I said, end of day 11 juicing. I've got 10 more days starting tomorrow. Whew. Wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Till next time, guys. Thank you for your time. Here's the life.